Yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're in Washington, D.C. We're about to go see the White House, explore the city a little bit, see some monuments. Stay tuned. So there was a alarm going off just right back there, and there's all these fire trucks. As you can see, there's this ladder going up there, so there's a fire somewhere, but who knows where that is. I don't see any smoke or anything. And that's the White House. I mean, pretty anticlimactic, to be honest. I mean, just a building. Oh wait, that's not the White House. We made it to the White House. Probably a pretty different place right now. It's more heavily guarded. This is the White House. Check it out. For me, it's pretty lackluster. Nothing too special about it. All right, guys, we have left the White House. We're now standing in front of the Washington Monument, as you can see. So we're gonna enjoy this park a little bit. We're getting pretty hungry, so probably trying to get some food, and then we're actually gonna be heading up to Baltimore. We are at the World War II Memorial now. This is probably my favorite part that I've seen so far. Walking up to the Lincoln Memorial. This guy's a saint. Abolished slavery. I didn't realize how big the Lincoln Memorial is just for a statue. This is pretty cool. That's a pretty big statue there. We just got done seeing the Lincoln Memorial. We saw the reflection pond, and we're actually about to go back to the van. All right, so we are leaving the National Mall right now. We saw all the attractions that we wanted to see. The White House, the Washington Monument, which is still right there. We saw the Lincoln Monument. And that's pretty much all we wanted to see. The Capitol building is kind of cool, but it's way down there. And we're actually trying to get to Baltimore to eat some crabs and try out some Old Bay.
Are you who I think you are?
What?
Are you who I think you are?
Who do you think I am?
I don't remember your name. I know who you are.
Do you?
Yeah.
Really?
Enjoy your video. See you.
She knows my YouTube channel. Look at that. But we're actually going to Maryland to eat some crab and maybe try out some Old Bay. I know that's what Maryland's known for. So we are on our way, about to get back in the van and head right up there. Shout out to Jenny. She gave us a good recommendation for some crab up in Baltimore. So we're going to Nick's Fish House to eat. Should be pretty good. All right, we have made it to Baltimore. We're about to go get some ramen right now. We're gonna cheat twice today. We're gonna go get ramen, and then we're gonna get that crab I was talking about. We had to park like a good ways away from any main part of the city because you can see how big Mildred is. She's massive. Yo, I am at Ramen Atsuki in Baltimore, and that right there, that is the best ramen I've ever had in my life. If you're ever in Baltimore, you have to come to Ramen Atsuki. It's amazing. Wow. Oh my God, that was amazing. Seriously though, here in Baltimore, you have to come to this place and go get you some ramen. Out here in Baltimore, got them Lime scooters going, you know what I'm saying? Got the boy linked up too. Alright guys, our day in Baltimore is winding down to an end. The sun is setting and it is pretty beautiful up here. Check it out. Alright guys, the food has arrived. Looking pretty insane. Wow. Shrimp is fire. I'm sure the rest of this is going to be just as good. So I'm going to dig in. That officially concludes our day in Baltimore, Maryland. Tomorrow is Delaware, so I'll see you in the next vid.